Welcome to our new Oban High School and Tiree Joint Campus Skills Framework. Your skills, your future. This is an employability, attributes and skills framework. We believe that every young person should be given the opportunity to realise their potential. We want young people to be enabled to recognise their personal development of skills and attributes. A skills framework is like your toolkit for life, learning and work. It will never ever be complete, as you will be continually adding to your skills as we progress through life. For example, I'm continually learning new digital skills. This toolkit is different for every single person, and you will naturally have strengths in certain areas based on your interests, abilities, and the needs of jobs in the future. These may change throughout a person's working life. Skills are things you've learnt through work, training, education, or life experiences. Displaying good manners, communicating effectively with others, being considerate of the feelings of others, and expressing personal needs are all important components of solid social skills. Attributes are qualities you might naturally have. Perhaps you're a naturally chatty person, or you're resilient and you can cope under pressure. In our core section of the framework, this is the numeracy, literacy and digital skills. A lifetime of learning is supported with confident literacy, numeracy and digital skills. Literacy is the ability to write, read, speak, listen in a way that lets us communicate effectively and make sense of the world. Other literacy skills include vocabulary, spelling and comprehension. Being literate increases opportunities for you all in aspects of life and lays the foundation for lifelong learning and work. Numeracy is your ability to handle numbers, including very basic skills of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and percentages. As you progress into the world of work, employers may also look for you to have the ability to gather and compile statistical data, or analyse and interpret and present this data in a clear way. Digital skills are the skills you need to study and work in our fast evolving digital world. This includes learning how to use and adapt to the right digital devices, applications, software and systems. Finding, reviewing, organising and sharing information. Being confident in your digital skills takes two different forms. It is being able to use and exploit technology confidently and also having the ability to create new technology. Self is all about you. These are the skills that you are personally responsible for, how you choose to conduct yourself. These skills and attributes will shape your pathway to an exciting future. These include things like ambitious. To be ambitious, you need to have ambition. This is when you have the desire and determination to achieve great things. Ambitious people use hard work and focus to find success in their work and personal lives. They have an inner drive that helps them stay motivated when working towards their goals. Resilience or resilient is the ability to respond positively and constructively to constantly evolving challenges and difficulties you may face in life. But being resilient is also being able to get back up if you fail and being able to try again. Not everybody gets it right first time. Learning. Everybody needs help learning to learn. This is the skills that will help you to learn right throughout your life. No matter your pathway to work, you will need to stay curious and learn new skills, knowledges and procedures while at work. How are you developing your learning toolkit? In the learning section, we have words like independent. Being independent is the ability to self-educate without the guidance of others, the ability to think for oneself and trust one's own judgment in the workplace. We have the word focused. This means having the ability to effectively filter and sort information so that you can maintain a sense of focus. This is really, really important in this age of information overload and constant change, that you can take the bit that is important to you and focus on it. Curiosity is the desire to know or learn something so that you can inspire new ideas, create new concepts. This will be ever more important in our constantly changing world. Connecting. No matter where you go in life, what your chosen career is, you will have to communicate, share ideas, build relationships, and work closely with colleagues, customers, partners, whilst also looking to your own horizons and future opportunities. To be able to connect, you need many different skills: compassion, leadership, collaboration, integrity. Integrity ensures we always take into account what we believe to be ethical and fair. Integrity is acting in an honest and consistent manner based on a strong sense of self and personal values. Integrity means doing the right thing. Communication is the ability to openly and honestly share information in a way that creates mutual understanding about thoughts, intentions, and ideas between all parties involved. Communication isn't just about talking and listening, but it's also about understanding information and being able to share that information with other people. No matter your career pathway, there will be many scenarios that require you to think through challenges, to evaluate progress and work around issues by applying your combined skills and knowledges to develop creative solutions. These are thinking skills. They include things like problem solving, being able to plan, being creative, being able to research, having initiative. Initiative is a readiness to get started, to act on opportunities built on a foundation of self-belief. Initiative does require you to have a little courage, to be brave, to be an independent thinker, to sometimes take risks, make decisions, and believe in yourself. Creativity is the ability to imagine and think of new ways of addressing problems, answering questions, or expressing meaning. Creativity requires you to use your imagination to generate new ideas to solve future problems.
So we know that you've seen this wheel throughout some lessons over the week. What we'd like you to do now is in the next 10 or 15 minutes to start thinking about these skills and how they sit with you and where you think your strengths lie and maybe what a target would look like. So what we'd like you to do is to go around each of these skills and attributes and give yourself a score out of 5, where 5 is, yeah, nailed it, really confident. And then what we'd like you to do is add up your scores in each category and copy that score onto the back of your trifold leaflet. Now remember, this leaflet can go home or should go home so that you can chat through with your family where your skills are and what your targets are. So it's a really, really good platform to start talking about your skills. And we know that some of the 6 years have been using this to write their UCAS applications and so on. So it is really quite useful thinking about where you're at just now and thinking about where you're heading in your employability skills. So we give you about 10 minutes to work through that. life is amazing. There are so many exciting things to explore. Traveling, holidays, friends, relationships. For me, chasing cars and uh, kayaks. But whatever your hobbies and interests are, and whatever your life leads to, it should be amazing. But there's a big, massive chunk of your life that is work. Now, the secret is to get work, get a job, get a career that gives you a massive kick, that's something that makes you smile every day, something that you love. But to do that, you really do need to be focused just now on chasing down these skills and attributes, chasing down these qualifications, chasing down these opportunities and these bright horizons that you have to look for. And we think that this skill framework might be part of how you focus towards this exciting future. The grid on the screen just now is 1080 boxes. Now that's a box for each month of a 90-year life. And when you end up color coding the first 4 or 5 rows, that's kind of what you've done so far. And then you end up color coding the last 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 of those are retirement. You end up with this big, massive chunk in the middle that is work. Please, please, please hunt down a really exciting future. Have a look at some of these. Leave you with 3 quotes. Dream big, work hard, and be kind while you're doing those things. It's really important to have this big dream, okay, and to put some graft in to make it happen. Perhaps this skills framework might help you focus towards an exciting future and start understanding your skills and what you can attempt next. I think this next quote is very important from what I've just said. Choose a job you love and you will never work a day in your life. It is so important that you get a future career that you love. It makes life so much easier. And then just leave you with one final quote. If your dreams don't scare you, they aren't big enough. Okay, let's aim for this massive excitement, this this thing that is going to be your life. And as I said before, there are so many exciting bits to chase after, but they're all easier to chase if you've got the right skills, the right attributes, and the right qualifications, and you keep connected with the right people. Okay, and we are here to help you. And Skills Development Scotland, there's a wee explanation of who they are and what they are on the back of your trifold leaflet. Search those people out. Search the people out in school that can help you get your dreams. And I wish you the very best of luck. Thanks so much.